Instagram has introduced a very amazing feature, that is photo carousel music. Yes, you heard it right. Now you can add music on the photo carousel as well. How? Let's see the whole process. To know the whole process, watch this video till the end. For this, tap on the plus icon on your home page like you casually do for the posting. Select your pictures. Make the changes you want. And now, coming to the last editing, you will find a add music option down the page. Tap on it. Search for the song. Select it and select the duration. And tap on share. Once uploaded, the music will play on all your photo slides. Though the feature has rolled all over the world, it is still not accessible on some other devices. If it is still not working for you, try updating your application, cleaning the cache of your files from the settings and reinstalling it. So in this way, you can add music to your photo carousel and you can make your post very amazing. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.